Hey, it's Krista with WTI. In my household, comfort is king, and this Avon Innovation Donut Pillow did not disappoint in what it promises to deliver. You will get a absolutely comfortable, relieving, pressure reducing sitting position while using it. This donut pillow is really thick, cushiony, and is made of a really durable and dense memory foam. So no matter if you're sitting on it for just a few moments or for a prolonged period of time while at work, it recovers really quickly its full cushion and shape. Also, the material is a honeycomb weave, so it's breathable. You won't get sticky or sweaty sitting on it for a longer period of time. On the base, it has the anti-slip dots so that I can use it on a kitchen stool, I can use it on my dining table bench, I can use it on my office chair, and it's not moving around. I feel nice and secure as I sit and use it. While we predominantly use this pillow just for comfort and relieving any pressure for prolonged periods of sitting, I can really see this donut pillow working wonderfully if someone has hemorrhoids, if they're postpartum, if they're recovering from surgery, or have tailbone or spinal injury. It gives you that perfect position to relieve that heavy pressure off of your lower back and bottom. If it looks like I'm hugging this donut pillow, it's because I am hugging this donut pillow. It's my new best friend because it provides the perfect support, relief, and comfort that I want when I have to sit for prolonged periods of time. And that's my point of view.